Hello everyone, today on PM Corner, let's talk about getting the project requirements. It is a question that we're getting over and over in our trainings from our participants. How do you actually get the stakeholders to give you the requirements? We're getting the projects, we're getting the objectives, but getting at actual requirements and more, getting the metrics that goes with these requirements is quite a challenge for a lot of the people. So what do? Well, first of all, let's start with the premise that we have stakeholders that they don't know what they want. And in real life, I can tell you that it's very difficult to find users that actually know what they want. So let's start with the premise that they don't know what they want, so we're going to have to find out. So what do? Get an interview with the stakeholders. Have them to describe how the product and the service will affect them in the future. How is that going to affect their process? How is that going to affect their operation? Have them describe you the new environment where the product and service gets used. Out of this description, you will list the needs, okay, that they're telling you, needs to do this, needs to do that. There is certain keywords they'll be using there. For you, any needs described, you're going to have to be a requirement that goes there. Anytime they tell you shall do something, should do something, it is a requirement. So list it down. So you list that down on the statement of work, put it together and send it back to the stakeholder and say, based on the description, you say this is the requirements we have captured. Can you confirm yes or no? If they confirm them, then now the next question you ask them is, how do we measure goodness on that requirements? How do we know it's good? Because that's going to be the way for you to get your quality metrics that will be connected to your quality management plan later on. And while you're there, get from them the communication requirements. So you could do your communication management plan. So the key, get an interview, get them to describe how, map the requirements, send them the statement of work, get them to confirm, and get the metrics for measuring goodness.
PM Corner brought to you by ProTrain Corporation. www.protraincorp.com